Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to delete saved trips on Google Maps. Whether you have saved trips for personal reasons or to revisit places, sometimes they just need to go, so let's dive into the video right away. First, open up Google Maps and head over to your profile icon in the top right corner. You will see a drop-down menu. Simply go ahead and tap Your Data in Maps. This is where all of your saved trips and data lives. Now scroll through your Maps activity option and then tap on the star icon right in front of one saved place over here at the top. This will then open up all of your saved places on the list. You can also be able to see your favorites, leveled, travel plans, and other saved trips on this page. In order to delete a data, go ahead and tap the three dots right next to the saved category you want to edit and then click on Edit List. Now, click the cross icon right next to the saved trip in order to delete it from the list. Finally, after you are done deleting it, tap on Save at the top right, and that way you will be able to delete a saved trip in just a few taps. You have successfully cleared out your saved trips on Google Maps, keeping your history neat and clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.